This time around, we're looking at the Corgi Toys 1969 catalog. And being a little kid at the time, geez, I was like 8 years old in 1969. I really remember Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. That's a fond memory from my youth. So seeing that on the cover just has to make me laugh a little bit. But anyhow, these are all larger than the typically 1/64th scale that you see on my channel. But it's still fun to look through this stuff. And there on the inside of the front cover is Chitty Chitty Bang Bang. That they're showing at 6.5 inches to give you an idea of what we're looking at here. So that obviously is pretty cool. You know, and I like how they detail the features on them. And a lot of these do have special features of some kind or another. The Beatles' Yellow Submarine. You gotta love it with the Beatles, with the pop-ups and the Beatles sitting in it. And the features, how they turn and stuff. That's just great. The Monkey Mobile. Man, I mean, this is just such a throwback. And the Green Hornet Black Beauty. If my friend Philip is watching this video, I think you had this. I seem to remember my friend Philip having this when I was a kid. He's a few years older than me. And I just seem to remember this. But I could be completely wrong. James Bond 007, Toyota 2000, spare missiles that you can get for it, and the Aston Martin DB5 with 2 spare bandits and 007 identity flash. You gotta love how the spinning wheels pop out. Gotta love the expression on the bandit that's being ejected from the car. This stuff is just great. And the Batmobile. Batmobile and available separately, Batboat on trailer at 5.5 inches long. The Saints Volvo P1800, which we've just seen Hot Wheels do a P1800. I was thinking maybe it'd be worth customizing one like this, but I don't know. Man from Uncle, it's like all the popular shows. Man from Uncle Thrushbuster. Included free with this model is a Waverly ring with a color picture of Napoleon's solo, which changes to Ilya Kuryakin. Well, what more could you ask for? The Avengers set. John Steed's vintage Bentley and Emma Peel's Lotus Elon. And you gotta love that it comes with figures. Included are 3 molded umbrellas. John Steed's only defense. I don't know. These are just great. You have to love how creative they were at coming up with things for these. Corgi exclusive takeoff wheels and 4 built-in golden jacks. So there are 4 posts that would pop. Yeah, 4 that would pop or 3 that would pop. Looks like only 3 on this one. 1 and then 2 up front, but they're showing 4. Who knows? They say 4. But cool stuff. Oldsmobile Toronado. Mini Coopers and Jags. The Morris Mini Minor. Mini Cooper Deluxe. Mini Countryman with Surfer. Available later, a Pontiac Firebird. That's 4 inches to give you an idea what sizes we're looking at here. Chevy SS350 Camaro. That's 4 inches as well. Chevrolet police car. Gift sets. The trailer's kind of nice. It looks like the feature on here is that the seat folds forward and back. Citroen Winter Sports. A lot of available later. So I wonder if these actually came out later and if they were somehow altered. The Renault Tour de France with Paramount Film Unit with cyclist. That's great. Oh, I love the bubble car. I love the bubble car. I'd love to get one of the bubble cars. That thing is only 2.5 inches long. That's fantastic. Racing cars. The Grand Prix set. Grand Prix gift set. Does that? Yeah, it even comes with the 16 pylons. Lotus gift set. And the body lifts off. Huh. That's nice. All winners competition gift set. Gotta love the Corgi figures. Those must have been sold in sets. They have numbers on them. Huh. The Ferrari. The Lamborghini Miura. Included with the Lamborghini is a figure of a fighting bull, the exciting symbol of Lamborghini cars. With detachable chassis. That's nice. Man, as a kid, you had to love this kind of stuff. I mean, there's so much of this stuff that I've never seen in person. They just weren't around when I was a kid, other than the Green Hornet that I mentioned earlier. We'll go over the price list later. I'll add that at the end of the video and just show that stuff vertically because, just for anyone who wants to see that. The Chevy Stingray stock car. Monte Carlo Mini Cooper S. Corgi Classics. Reminds me of the Matchbox models of yesteryear. The World of Wooster. BBC television. Never heard of it. Never heard of the show. I'm sure some of you out there are probably very familiar with it. But yeah, that doesn't ring any bells for me. Doctari does. Doctari. It's weird because I just remember Doctari from when I was a kid. I can't remember anything about the TV show, but I just kind of remember it. Circus time. Cool animals and stuff. Big rig diesel that separates from the trailers. The trailer has opening doors and everything. Corgi commercial vehicles. Car transporter. And the car transporter is available separately without the cars. Huh. Shovel. Shovel's available separately. Holmes Wrecker recovery vehicle with Ford tilt cab. That is crazy detailed. And the hooks and everything. The working lifting booms swing outwards and operate separately or together as required. Tilting cab unit with detailed interior revealing engine. That is cool. I bet that was not cheap. I bet probably few of them still exist in a fully working condition. Land Rover. Bedford tipper truck. That forward control Jeep Tower wagon. That's kind of interesting. Again, these are all, like this one's 5.5 inches for that tower wagon. VW breakdown van, 4 inches. Chevrolet kennel service wagon with Kennel Club stickers on the side. That's great. Corgi Toys agricultural equipment. Massey Ferguson combine harvester. The agricultural gift set, including animals. Massey Ferguson 165 tractor. Oh, it makes noise. It apparently makes noise. They have little, like, lightning bolts coming off the engine area, so it must have cranked or did something. That's cool. A conveyor tractor. I just think as kids, we were just, back then we were entertained fairly easily. Or at least that's how it seems. I guess that's typical generational thing where it's like, well, kids today. Yeah. Livestock transporter with 5 pigs. Not 4, not 3, not 6, 5. Fire police. Gotta love the VW police car. Police minivan with tracker dog and handler. Oh, beautiful fire trucks. That one's 11.5 inches. And the other one, the snorkel, is 9 7/8, if I'm reading that right. With retractable supporting jacks. London Transport Routemaster bus. Spare tires. You could buy spare tires. Wow. I don't know why I'm shocked by that. Corgi Model Club. Application for membership. What was it, $1? How much? It doesn't show in the US. Wait a minute. 50 cents. 50 cents. And you send it to somewhere in New Jersey. That's great. So there you have it. We'll go back and look at the pricing on this stuff. Actually, I mean, they're large scale. So the prices, I mean, we're talking $3.75, $2, $2.50, $4. I mean, the prices aren't terrible. But, okay, Batman's Batmobile, $4. Chitty Chitty Bang Bang was $5. But you look at some of these and compare them to today's prices, and really, today's prices aren't very high compared to these. But then probably part of this was higher too because they had to get them to the US. So anyhow, there you have it. I hope you enjoyed this look at the 1969 Corgi Toys Catalogue. Thanks for watching.